Trading is not complicated. You're just trading in the wrong direction. If you don't know how to spot the trend, market will always use it for liquidity every single time. You really cannot afford to keep going against the trend. Back when I started, I kept looking or trying to catch the tops and the bottom, thinking that's where the money is. But the real money is in the middle. You follow the trend because at the end of the day, you're just a retail trader trying to make profits from transactions that you know nothing about. Ever since I decided to just follow the trend, I've been able to pass my funded account fees, we've gotten payouts, and yeah, the result speaks for itself. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade with the trend like a pro. No indicator, no complicated shit. So whether you're a beginner or you're already an experienced trader trying to develop his trading, this video is for you. So guys, you can see this market right here is on a downtrend. As you can see, it's doing its usual lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs as usual, and we should expect what a drop as usual. Now, how do you apply a trend line in this example? Now, how do you know a valid trend line? You know a valid trend line when it has gotten two touches. So let's do that. So guys, let's fix up a trend line right here. Remember the rule: two touches. That's the first of all have two touches on it for it to be a valid trend line. So what this simply means is after these two touches, any touch on the trend line, we've gotten our trend right, is a downtrend. So any touch on the trend line will be shorting to the downside. So what do we do? Let's play and see. Let's see. Zoom in. So any touch on the trend line, remember guys, will be shorting this market. Let's just be getting close to the trend line. Let me slow down a little bit. Okay guys, so we've gotten a touch, and I can see a very clean morning star at this point. So we've gotten a third touch on the trend line, and I'm seeing a clean a clean evening star, meaning that price wants to fall to the downside. How do you know evening star? The bullish indecision candle followed by a very good bearish candle. So this is a very good signal for me to be selling this market. So yeah, I'll just take my short position. Stop loss at the recent high already there. The target times so whatever we're risking, so take it down a little bit. 1 to 2 weeks to reward the normal, and yeah, let's watch this trade play out. Alright, so guys, you can see that this trade played out exactly as planned. So this is how you can follow the trend every single time and keep bagging it. So remember, knowing the same principle, you're still going to do the same thing again. So now market has given us 3 touches right on this trend line. We just modify a trend line a little bit to touch the highs of the candle, and we play again. The next touch on the trend line, and once we see a candlestick confirmation, we get in again. Let me go push, let me extend it to the downside. So guys, you can see that the market has broken this trend line, right? Let me slow down a little bit. Good. So now you can see at this point the market broke our trend line. But one thing you should always keep in mind is that some trends, some markets, depending on how volatile and how aggressive the market is, some can push into the trend line, some barely touch the trend line. So it's all about your experience and your understanding of trends that will help you. So at this point, I'm seeing something more like an M pattern, meaning that I'm saying that this trend is still likely to come down, right? At this point, the market is still likely to come down, so we'll be going short again. Why? Because we created an M pattern. Let me show you what I mean by M pattern. If I change this to line chart, you can see that it looks exactly like an M pattern, right? It looks like an M pattern, meaning that the market is still likely to push to the downside. So let me change this stuff back to candlesticks, and yeah, we short again. At this point, stop loss, recent high, we do the usual, weeks 1 to 2 weeks to reward, and we play again. Same thing guys, you take profit as this one. You just keep extending the trend line until the market changes direction and you start doing the same thing for the buy side. This is how you can just simply follow the trend and keep your trading as simple as possible. There is nothing complicated for even a beginner to understand on it. So guys, you can see how simple and easy it is to follow the trend. No indicators, no complicated anything. Trading is all about how well you can keep it simple and how well you can consistently follow your rules. And this is the blueprint to success when it comes to trading. Keep it simple. So guys, I'll be giving you simple principles to follow or whatever or what you are supposed to keep in mind when following a trend. Number one, based off of everything I'm telling you guys in today's video. Number one, spot the market trend. Now, when you come to the market, you try to understand, okay, the market buying, the market selling, the market ranging. Obviously, trading with the trend will work only in a trading market, and you need to stay off the market when it's not trading. So when it's not trending. So basically, number one, spot the market. Either is it buying or is it selling. Number two, try to connect two lows or two highs. So if it's buying, you try to connect two lows. If it's selling, you try to connect two highs, as we did in this example. So from the third, fourth, fifth touch, you need to be thinking of how you can short. So whenever the market comes back to the trend line, you see a good candlestick confirmation, you short or you buy, depending on the market trend. And another thing is your risk management. Always risk at least 1% of your account, 2% of your account, depending on the kind of account you're trading. And always remember, whatever you're risking, target times two. Target times two of whatever you're risking. So if you're risking 2% of your account, target 4%, so make 4%. That's a really good hit to reward. You keep your mind in check. One loss a day, call it a day, and you come another day. Trading is not complicated. It's all about knowledge and how well you're able to apply it. Use the link in the description to join my Telegram channel where I drop more impactful videos, tips, guys that can help you and your trading become better. I'm even offering a free mentorship course where I teach people how to trade all for free. So all you have to do is just click the description below and join right now. So we've come to the end of this video. Smash the subscribe. Make sure you smash the subscribe button right now because you don't want to miss the next impactful video I'm going to be dropping that can change your trading career for the better. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace and love, guys.